Good afternoon, gorillas. We are now at the Hall of Sports and we will do our workout. Work is done for today and yeah, Alfred is already waiting for us and we're gonna work out a little bit today to get the pump. Our workout always begins with the same thing. We warm up and then we do some freestyle. Freestyle for us is like a lot of statics, handstand, front lever, things like that. And afterwards we do our weighted and sets and reps workout. So I think besides this bar, this one is our most used bar, because we all warm up on it. We all do bodyweight rows and push-ups on it. So I don't know how many repetitions this bar has already been made on.
My signature move is, I don't even know if it has a name, but you will see.
So everybody has his favorite move here, and mine is definitely the handstand, but for everybody it's a different one. And also on some days the handstand doesn't work at all. So yeah, sometimes it's the front lever, sometimes it's the handstand, and it depends on the day.
So we like to work out with kettlebells, and yeah, each one of us needs different weights.
So we're finished for today. We will now pack our stuff and then go home. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for being here, for supporting us. And yeah, being part of this amazing people. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. Have a great day and keep growing gorillas. See you soon. Hey, are you still here? If you are still there, thank you for watching. Thanks for your time. And I wanted to ask you one thing. Please make sure to give us honest feedback. What do you want to make better in this vlog? Give us honest feedback. What is interesting you and what can we do better and things like that. Please put us a comment down below. Have a great day and now see you soon.